Adding pictures to your website. This video assumes that you have an image optimized and at the proper size for the place you want to put it on your website. This video further assumes you know how to retrieve the file from your server and put it back upon completion via FTP. If you need to know more about FTP, please consult our video library for details. When adding an image to a page on your website, there are a couple of things that you need to know. First is the code that will place the image on the page, and second is any further code to make it appear properly in the spot reserved for it on your page. Let's start with a web page that only has text on it. The text has been previously formatted in HTML so that it appears in paragraph form. Let's first put the image on the top of the page. The code we will use is this. When we place the code on the page and view it in a browser, this is what it will initially look like. As you can see, it's not very pretty. We will have to add a break tag to the HTML to make it appear properly, like this. Now, let's say you want to put the image in the middle of the block of text on the left. To do this, you will have to slightly modify the HTML further by adding this code, and then picking a place in the text to place all of the code. After you have taken the code for the image and placed it in the middle of the text box, go back to your website and see what it looks like. As you can see, it's sort of sitting in the middle of the page. What you'll have to do is add a little more code to tell it to align to the left. Once you've done that, hit save, go back to the website and hit refresh, and you'll see the change. What about if you want to put the image on the right? Simple enough. Just change the left to right. Also, if you feel that the image is too low or too high on the page, you can move the code either up or down on the page until you like the results. Now you can see that the text is pushing up against the image. Let's add a little vertical and horizontal spacing to the HTML of the page with this little bit of code. If you want even more space between the picture and the text, increase the numbers in the HTML until you are happy with the results. As you can see, adding an image is not that difficult. It just takes a bit of practice. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to stop by our website and sign up to receive updates of new videos.